What's up guys, how's everybody doing? 2025 is gonna be the year. जितनी भी चीज़ों में टाल मटोली करनी थी कर दी. Like there is a saying, it's better to do it alone than not at all. But waiting for the right time has postponed so many plans and things already. If I talk about myself, injury from my new sport has taken my 1.5 months. And it's 2025. The planets are coming in line on 25th of January 2025, where a wildfire is happening in LA, with an earthquake strike on Tibet, and so many other things. It's the state of apocalypse. But it's time to do it all, what you have never done before. This video is just to remind, sports and nutrition will give you the real adrenaline rush, which stays longer in your adrenaline glands. Without further ado, let's just do this.
ये थैली हो गई, ये हो गया। और ये क्या है? ये मुझे चीज़ें तो दिखा दो, आप सही से दिखाते भी नहीं होंगे। ये
मैट है।
मैट कैसा? वो फ्लेटेड
तो भी नहीं करेगा।
Whatever you see now, it happened 10 days ago. This is Ganpati Creation, an outlet of which hundreds of YouTubers already made a video. This shop is a gem for outdoor stuff. Hiking, trekking, tents, jackets, chairs, lights and sleeping bags in a very reasonable price.
नाइस।
इधर कले शूट अभी यार। दिखा भी दिखा दो।
स्कैनर दीजिए।
They have their own sleeping bag brand called Hey Sir, which they promote. The shopkeeper was so excited to listen to my story that he also ordered a samosa. He wanted to know what my plans are and what am I going to do with my cycling expedition. So it was fun with meeting with the owner of this shop.
ये चेयर
कप होल्ड भी है। कप होल्ड कप रखने के लिए।
कप छोटा सा
ये शिव कुमार जी कितने बदल
उसका क्या प्राइस है उस वाले का चेयर का?
उसका 650।
और ये स्टूल का?
250।
दे दूंगा पैसे
परफेक्ट, 250 रुपये है भाई इसका प्राइस। मुश्किल से कितना 2 फीट होगी इसकी लेंथ है ना? 1.5 से 2।
रेटिंग भेजा है 0 का है।
अच्छा,
ये प्लस -5। ये देखो ये -15।
फ्री लेयर -20। ये क्या प्राइस है?
250 रुपये।
ठीक है।